Hey everyone, I know it's been a minute, but I'm going to do a live real quick. I had a question asked about how to do the ornaments with the glitter on the inside. Like that one. So, I figured I'd go live real quick to show you how to do them. Literally takes like 5 minutes maybe. And I'll even apply a water slide to it to show you guys how it's done. These are the ornaments I use. They're from Dollar Tree. They're really big. They're about 3 by 3. So your images are about 2.2 to 2.5 depending on what they are. So you need the globe, polyacrylic, and glitter. So I'm going to do a really quick show for you guys. So just really quick. So I poured it in a cup and I pour it in here. Let me tip it down a little bit. So I just pour it in. And I don't really care how much I pour. I usually pour in a lot. Get full coverage on it. Hey Kaylin, I forgot to grab my water. And you just want to let the excess dry. Can you grab my water? Let the excess tip out of it. And then I've used parchment paper and poured some glitter on it to pour it into the globe. And unfortunately these require a lot of glitter, which is ridiculous considering how much I spent on my glitter. Thank you. So I'm trying to get the excess. I'm trying to dump the excess polyacrylic out of it. So here's what I have left. And then I'm just going to pour the glitter in it. Let me take this over here. Sorry, my kids are nosy. So I get for them having a half a day. I just wasted it on my lap. And then you're just going to take it all around. And as you can see, I ran out. So wasn't enough glitter. And I poured a lot in there.
What?
If it sticks to my pants, you need to be mad at you. Now she's using slime to get it off my lap.
I did. Look at the baby.
But you want to be sure your glitter is dry before you put the top back on. I've ruined a few of them by putting the top on too soon. And when I went to spin it, it took the glitter right off of it. So here is the finished one. This is Fruity Juice from Mr. Nola's. Of course, when I show it through the light, you can see the lines, but I don't ever notice the lines. And then I have a bunch of these already ready to go. Can I have my scissors back? Thank you. And with these, I've noticed with the globes being round, you kind of have to cut them in pieces so you can get it around the globe. I learned that the hard way the other day. So yesterday I started doing it. And these are fairly easy to go ahead and piece right back together. So if I were to take this and put it right on here, you're going to see all kinds of wrinkles, all kinds of everything. So I just cut the lettering out and do the lettering separate. And actually do the words in 2 different pieces. So I cut it out time of the year. And then I take this and I cut my truck in half. And I apply half of it. My water's cold, so it might take a minute for it to come detached from the other paper. But the globes really, they don't take very long to make at all. I've got quite a few made, and I do make them 2 size, so like the snowman ones I have to make a little bit bigger, but you do have to piece them, like you piece just the hat, just the eyes and the nose, and then the mouth separate, so they're spaced properly and they aren't wrinkled up. So here's my first. I'll turn it. Sorry, I wasn't prepared to do a lot, but you don't want to go too high, but you don't want to go too low either. So all the wrinkles are pretty much out of it. Just gotta dry it a little bit. Well, for the most part, are out of it. And if it's not, you could take your scissors, or I wouldn't say an X-Acto knife to it. You might cut the globe, but
Pick it up.
so of course most of the wrinkles have touched it. And as it dries a little bit, you can go back and push the water through it. So that's the tree in the car. Now I'm gonna do the words. And then you can place it how you want. It doesn't have to be in the exact same order or in the exact same concept, I guess. Because I did a Cardinals one and I had the wording over here instead of over here. So. And the plates are the same way. I was telling another customer, the plates, you don't have to, do not use epoxy or anything on them. You just apply them right to the plate. You don't have to bake them on or anything. After 72 hours, they will adhere themselves to your plate or to the mug. I do have some of those images available for Santa's cookies and Santa's milk available too. You can. These are the ones I posted in the group the other day. I was making some more today. I have a large craft fair coming up that has over 100 vendors on the 9th. So I've been pretty busy trying to do that. So there you go. And I don't know how long I've been live, but in just a few minutes I have completed one globe. And like I said, you can't really see where you've cut it or anything, so that's always a good thing that you can't tell. So, and maybe later I'll go live on the tack-it method for the mold, for the notebooks. I did successfully make one yesterday, and I'm pretty proud of it. It turned out really, really well. So, if you guys have any questions or anything you want to ask me, feel free to message me. That is all I wanted to show you. Have a good day.